My name is Althea Lawton-Thompson, and I'm an intuitive holistic healer, spiritual teacher, and global retreat leader. I guide people on powerful journeys of self healing, physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. For over a decade, I've traveled the world learning and practicing indigenous healing techniques from Central and South America, West Africa, the Caribbean, and Asia. I've led more than 50 retreats in 12 countries, creating inclusive, soulful experiences where people from all backgrounds come together to heal, grow, and spiritually expand. In my private practice, I merge clinical care with sacred ancestral healing traditions to support deep transformation. And through my digital learning platform and in person trainings, I've helped hundreds of wellness professionals become certified yoga and Pilates instructors, energy workers, Reiki practitioners, and meditation guides. If you're ready to live life limitlessly, you're in the right place. Welcome home.